Smooth out the edges, mastering English phrases. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English expressions and idioms. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, smooth out. Whether you've heard it in a business meeting or read it in a novel, understanding this phrase is key to polishing your English fluency. So, let's smooth out any confusion and make your English as seamless as possible. Smooth out is an idiomatic phrase that can have both literal and figurative meanings. Literally, to smooth out something means to make a surface flat or even. Imagine smoothing out the wrinkles on a bedsheet or flattening a piece of crumpled paper. Figuratively, the phrase takes on a broader meaning. It means to resolve issues, problems, or complications. When someone says they need to smooth things out, they're talking about finding solutions, making a situation easier, or eliminating difficulties. Now let's see how to use smooth out in various sentences. This will help you understand the context and how you might use it in everyday conversation. When you're dealing with problems, we've hit a few snags with the project, but we're working hard to smooth them out. Discussing plans or arrangements. There are some final details we need to smooth out before the event. In relationships or social interactions, they had a disagreement, but they managed to smooth things out over dinner. Remember, the phrase often involves a process. Things don't get smoothed out instantly. It takes time and effort. Enhance your vocabulary by learning synonyms for smooth out. These words can be used interchangeably depending on the context. Resolve. This is used in a context where there's a conflict or problem to be solved. Iron out. Similar to smoothing out, it often refers to getting rid of difficulties or differences. Settle. This can mean coming to an agreement or making a situation stable. Refine. This implies making something better by removing or correcting faults. Using different words helps to diversify your language and can make your English sound more natural. Let's put our knowledge into practice. Try forming sentences using smooth out and its synonyms. Share your sentences in the comments below, and let's help each other smooth out any language wrinkles. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has smoothed out any uncertainties you had about using the phrase, smooth out. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, every step you take in language learning helps you move forward. We'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!